Hello everybody! Good afternoon! So, it's raining now guys. Look at that. So, ayan. It's rainy Saturday afternoon. So, hindi natuyo yung yung damit na nilabhan ko guys kasi umulan. So, isasampay ko ulit siya bukas ng umaga. Sana po tumila yung, tumirik yung araw bukas. Kasi wala na akong susuotin. Charis. So, ayun. So, I don't know if nakikita nyo yung dun sa kabila. So, naglalagay na po sila ng pader dyan. Dun sa may kabilang lote, guys. So, good thing. So, walang nang makakapasok labas dito. Yun. Dito naman tayo sa store. Charis. So, ayan. Ito yung tindahan ko, guys. Medyo makalat na siya, guys. Hindi ko pa naaayos. So, mayroon akong unan dyan kasi minsan, nagpapahinga ako dyan. So, yeah. At ito naman po yung mga tubig na ating binili nung isang araw lang. So, madami pa siya kasi, yeah. So, bibili lang natin. So, i-close lang natin tong screen door kasi, nababasa siya. Tsaka pumatalsik dito sa loob. Nandito ako sa kwarto ng bintana. So, ito yung labas dito sa in front ng kwarto ko, guys. So, talaga namang kumulimlim at umuulan. So, may saging dyan, guys. Isa na lang. So, ma-harvest na rin siya. Next week, siguro harvest na yan. Or, yeah, pag nahinog na. So, yan. Yun po yung nilabhang ko, guys. Nasa may ibabaw ng mesa, guys. Diyan ko muna siya nilagay. At bukas ay ilalabas ko siya pag maganda yung araw bukas ng umaga. Actually, every morning, there's a good weather. But, when it's going to afternoon, it looks like this, guys. The weather is really not good. Mahangin, guys. Mahangin siya. So anyway, guys, update for this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. This is Simple Life in the Philippines. And hit the notification bell so that you are updated when I have new upload video and live stream. And I'm just happy and I am grateful to those who subscribe now, my new subscribers, and also my old subscribers. And yeah, I'm so grateful to all of you guys. Thank you so much for the kind and support for my channel and also my sister. So yeah, thank you very much, everybody. I'm so grateful to all of you, and I hope that you continue supporting me until I reach the 4,000 watch hour, guys. So yeah, thank you very much. So I am not here because of you guys. So ginawa ko rin po itong pag YouTube dahil din po sa inyo, dahil po na nagbibigay po kayo ng tawag ito, encouragement. Yes. So also this is for my family, guys. Hindi lang nila alam pero kasama po sila palagi sa aking mga pangarap sa buhay. Lalo na po at laking hirap din po kami. Nagtira din po kami sa sa bukid. Kaya laking rin po sa akin yung mangarap. What we call that, to big dreams, to have big dreams for my family because of our life before. So that's why I am now here at my YT. At kung ano po yung nakikita nyo is ako po iyan. Walang halong biro. Hindi nga kasi ako marunong mag-edit, guys. So yeah. So everything that you saw in my video, that's really me. Except that sometimes I used a filter. Yeah, but what you see talaga in my most videos are me. Yeah, doing my household chores here, planting vegetables here like that, and also going around the village, or sometimes going to my siblings when I am bored here, or sometimes when I missed my nieces and nephews, I visit to my siblings there so that I saw them. Just so you know guys that my nieces and nephew is my happiness, I mean my relief stress. Yeah, so that's why I always visit them when I am bored here, like, yeah. So sorry guys, I was talking much this video, but yeah, actually I was laying down in front of my uh, store, but I I suggest to myself to do a video, and this is what I am doing now. So yes, videoing around here in my area. So I have here 3 empty bottles because my customer buy water yesterday and today. Yeah. So this is my view guys here in front of my door. So yeah, anyway, thank you very much for supporting my channel. This is a Simple Life in the Philippines. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. This is a Simple Life in the Philippines, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you are updated when I have new upload video and live stream. And also yes, thank you very much to all of you guys. I hope that you are doing good always, and please don't forget, always do good, because yeah, life is hard today, so wag na nating dagdagan yung mga hard times. So yeah, hindi natin alam yung mga nangyayari sa bawat isa sa atin, kaya sana po ay magbibigay lang po tayo ng magandang ugali, at magpapakita tayo ng magandang asal sa lahat, kasi hindi natin alam kung ano yung pinagdadaanan ng bawat isa. So dapat lagi lang tayong be kind always. So yeah, anyway, that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope may natutunan kayo, at sana po kung mayroon man po kayong suggestion na mga video, please comment down below guys, at ating yan gagawin. So kung may gusto po kayong video na, content na gusto nyo pong i-upload ko, sabihin nyo lang po, at ako'y I will try my best to to make a good content. So yes, so andun na po yung mga trabahante guys, so mag-start sila ulit since parang tumitila yung ulan. So ayan, anyway guys, yeah, that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all. Bye.